This week we are going to read a story called The King Lost His Ring. This is going to help us work on those words that end with NG. Follow along as I read the story. Then go through your book and we're going to find all of the words with NG at the end. The king of Ding Dong looked at his hand. "Help," he said, "I have lost my ring. I must have dropped it in the mud." All the king's men came to Ding Dong to look for the ring. "Do not linger," said the king. "Go dig up all the mud. You must find my ring." The king hired a gang of men to look for his ring. "Dig up all the mud in the kingdom. You must find my ring," said the king. The king was sad. He could not eat a single bite of cake. "Bring me my ring. It is the only thing that will make me sing a happy song," he said. All the people in the kingdom wanted the king to be happy. They baked him all the things he liked, but bringing these things did not make the king happy. Before long, it was spring. The ring was still missing. The king was still not happy. A robin looked down. It saw a shape shining in a pile of mud. It was the king's ring. The robin picked up the ring. The robin went to see the king. It sang out, "I have your ring." Robin flung the ring. It landed next to the king. The king sang out, "I have my ring back," he said. "Bang the gong and tell all the kingdom." The king was happy. He sang a happy song. "Bring me good things to eat," he said. "Let's all sing," said the king. They sang song after song with the happy king. Now, go through your story and find all of your green words this week that have NG in them.